to quickly go through foam roller on the butt muscles, the deep hip rotators, and your hamstrings. First, if you simply sit on the roller, bend your knees up at about a 45-50 degree angle, resting on your left hand, roll your left butt cheek. Most people will feel some good deep muscle massage with this. When you cross the leg, take up the slack a little bit, it gets a little more aggressive. From here, we're going to roll into the IT band and the lateral hamstring. Come to your forearm, bring the leg here, roll it right down the side of the thigh and into the IT band. To get into the hamstring, bring the roller off. The most simple way to do it, so support your leg with the right leg, and roll the hamstring down the length of it. Turn your leg out, and turn your leg in, roll in each area multiple times. From there, we're going to continue further down. First getting the top half of the calf, then the lower half of the calf. Again, turn your leg in and out, finding different areas throughout there. I'm going to quickly run through using the foam roller for the adductor muscles, which is an area that most athletes pay little or any, if any, attention to. First, lay the roller right down parallel to your body. Bring your left leg up on top of it, flexing your hip up. Get it right close and personal. And from here, it looks a little funny, but you can move up and down, and you'll find that deep, thick adductor muscle. You can also roll it side to side, close to the pelvis, and further away from the pelvis, making sure that this left hip stays flexed and relaxed. It's a great way to get down to those adductors. Hi, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the foam roller for your hip flexors, your quad, and your IT band. You're going to want to place the roller across the midline so it gets just in front of the thigh. Remember, when doing this, it doesn't always feel the best, so if it's uncomfortable, that's okay. If it's painful, avoid it. First, get that placed right underneath the front of your hip. Bring the opposite leg up, forward and flexed. Rest on your forearms and roll. Also do this hip flexor at the top of the thigh with your knee bent. Same motion. To get a little bit lower into the quads, simply slide up, keeping this opposite knee pulled upward, and roll the quads. Also done with the knee bent. From here, we're going to roll right over into the IT band. To do that, I'm going to turn this a little bit. Starting here, put the top leg in front, back leg straight, roll it right down. Not to roll in on top of that big bone on the side of your hip, rolling right down to the side of the knee. Some people, as you get better and better at this, and more tolerant, will do both legs at the same time. Next, we're going to use the foam roller for the middle thoracic spine, back of the neck and shoulders, and also the lats underneath the arm. First, and most importantly, support your neck. We don't want your neck hanging back. Likewise, we don't want it cranked forward. So support it gently, lift your butt up, and just roll gently between the shoulder blades. You can do this with your elbows relaxed, or you can pull your shoulder blades apart by bringing your elbows together. From this position, an area that most people need to work on are their lats underneath the armpit. So from here, simply relax your arm, roll forward and backward. It shouldn't take much to find those spots. You can also roll up and downward. When you find it, you'll know it.